Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning my laundry room. It is quite messy. A lot of things are in here that do not belong at all, and so we are just going to do a little bit of organizing, a whole lot of taking things out and putting them back into their place and into the area of the house where they belong. We'll be cleaning that sink out because it is gross and stained and has dirt, and there's just tons of stuff, gardening stuff, random clothes, giveaway stuff. I have my little sewing kit up here, empty bottles, full bottles, a little bit of everything, and so yeah, I think we'll just go ahead and get on in it. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to work on is just getting this whole floor area cleaned and just everything taken out of here, and I'll get this floor area just swept and vacuumed up, and then I'll continue on to the counter areas. So down here, I know I'm putting these curtains and rugs in a trash bag, but I am not throwing them away. I'm just going to be putting them in this trash bag to transport them, and they will be going to donation, probably to the Goodwill, I think. And then I also have just a bunch of other clothes in these bags that are old clothes, like from when I was in like elementary school. My mom is cleaning out her house, and so she keeps bringing a bunch of my old things, like old clothes when I was in, like, third grade, third grade. So there are a lot of clothes from the 90s in those bags. So I'm just going to kind of go through them here in a couple days, or probably tomorrow, I guess. And just make sure there's like nothing I really want to save, which I'm sure there isn't, and then the rest will be donated. Okay, so now I am moving up to this counter area, and I'm just going to be taking all these items, putting them into the areas that they belong, and then I'm going to wipe down this counter. We'll move on over into the sink area and get the sink area all nice and cleaned out, and then we'll move on to the second counter here on the side of the laundry room.
Tell me, is it real? Tell me, do you feel the same?
So I'm going to just quickly scrub out this sink, but it is so stained and so icky, like, oh my lord, I can't even. I've used Barkeeper's Friend and a couple of other items, some like scrubby scouring items, trying to clean it, and just nothing will take these blue stains out of the sink. So I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do. It's fine. It's for the laundry room, but it's definitely really stained.
If I could have a wishing well, if I just could feel a little less of this uncertainty. I am longing for a kiss that lets me know that you're with me. Tell me what you feel like.
Okay, so now I'm just going to clean off this dryer area, put all the bottles up top that need to go up top. I have a couple empty ones, and then I'll just get the washer and the dryer just nicely cleaned and wiped down, and then we'll be done.
Tell me what you feel like. Do you feel what I feel? Is this love a waiting game?
So I found this new cleaner. Well, I don't think it's a new cleaner. It's new to me. I bought a new to me cleaner. And I found this at, where did I find it? Home Depot. I found this at Home Depot. And I thought I would try it. And it is the strongest smelling cleaner. Like, oh my gosh, this scent is so strong, but I really like it. I'm actually a big fan of like strong scents, so I don't mind it at all. Then when I was at the Dollar Tree, I found a huge bottle of it at the Dollar Tree, so I was super excited about that because like I really like it now. So if you like very strong scents, I would recommend it. We are done in here, and it looks so much better, you know, obviously than when we started. Of course, I always say, my things are typically not Pinterest worthy, but always like 100% better than what I started out with. I did find a little gray organizing bin that I got at the Dollar Tree that I can put my little air purifying bags in, so that was a nice little thing. My bucket for my mop is also underneath my sink, but I forgot to put that in there when I was filming. So that's also underneath there. Up here, it really is bugging me that those orange bottles are not next to each other, so I'm going to go down and fix that. But if you enjoyed this video, please consider watching another one. I really, really appreciate you watching this one, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.